In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Facebook dashboard monetize something went wrong problem. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Facebook dashboard monetize something went wrong problem. First, launch open Play Store or App Store. Now search for Facebook. Check if the update is available. If there is, tap on the update option to update the app to the latest version. Then open Facebook again to see if the issue is resolved. If you're still getting the error, long press on Facebook app, tap on App Info, then go to Storage. Now tap on Clear Cache. After that, head back, then tap on Force Stop, now tap on OK. If the problem continues, you can also uninstall the app, then reinstall it from Play Store or App Store. Keep in mind that this issue is often caused by temporary Facebook server problem. If Facebook server are down, you may continue to see this error until Meta resolves the issue. If the error still appears after reinstalling the app, then take a screenshot. Now open Facebook, tap on the three-line menu, go to Help and Support, then tap on Report a Problem. Tap Continue to report a problem and submit the screenshot along with description of the issue. Reporting the problem helps Facebook identify and fix widespread issues more quickly. If none of these steps work, wait a while and try again later as the problem may be on Facebook's end. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.